Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to add an Instagram business account to a Facebook Business Manager, and also going to show you how you can add people to a professional Instagram account from the Facebook Business Manager. This is just going to be a quick video tutorial, so if you want to get more details about adding an Instagram business account to a business manager, check out our blog post on 𝐅𝐫𝐞𝐞, where we also show you this process with screenshots and share some related information that we're not going to mention in this video. You can also find hundreds of tutorials there on social media and Instagram marketing, and they are absolutely free. Links to the blog post and other free resources can be found in the description below. One more thing before the tutorial. If you want to get more Instagram profile followers, more organic reach, without running ads, then check out our Instagram profile growth checklist that you can download from our website, 𝐅𝐫𝐞𝐞, as we are currently giving it away for free. With this free Instagram profile growth checklist, you're going to be able to audit the setup of your Instagram profile, get tips to improve your Insta posts. You're also going to get access to our Instagram engagement tactics. And last but not least, you're also going to get our Instagram profile promotion tactics that actually work to get you more Instagram likes and followers. Links to the free 44-point checklist is in the description below. Alright, so all you have to do is open up the Facebook Business Manager account you want to add the Instagram business account to. And once you opened it, click on this menu bar here and select Business Settings here. And then in the Business Settings section, select Instagram Accounts here. And here we can see all the accounts you have added to this business manager already. To add a new business account, click on Add here. If you haven't added any Insta account yet, then you're gonna see this Add button somewhere here, and you're not gonna see, other accounts, obviously. So click on this Add button, and all you have to do is click on this Connect to your Instagram accounts. So as Instagram says here, when you give people, partners, and apps access to manage an Instagram account, you automatically give them the same access to manage any connected Facebook page. So keep this in mind, but if you're okay with this, click on Connect to your Instagram account. And once we have signed in to the Instagram account, it has been immediately added to this Business Manager account. As you can see, this is the Instagram account I have just added to the Business Manager. And right after it, Facebook Business Manager offers the opportunity to also add an ad account to this Instagram account. So it makes it a lot easier to run advertising from the Business Manager to the Instagram business account. So select an account if you want to add one and click on Add. And as you can see, this ad account has been added to the Instagram account as well. If you want, you can also add other people to this Instagram business account. Then all you have to do is click on Add People or Assign Partners, and then select the person who has been already added to the Business Manager, and you have to select the access level you want her or him to have in the Facebook Business Manager. Once you have selected the access level, you have to click on Assign here. Alright, before we would wrap up, just make sure to check out our free Instagram profile growth checklist that we use to 10x the number of followers. Keep in mind that we are planning to charge money for this checklist in the future, so get it now for free until you can. You can get the checklist by clicking on the link in the description below, or search in Google for 𝐅𝐫𝐞𝐞 and add the keywords Instagram profile growth checklist spreadsheet. Also, if you want to learn more about setting up, managing, growing an Instagram profile, make sure you check out our Instagram marketing tutorial YouTube playlist that you can see on the screen here. See you next time.